you're lounging on your couch, sipping your favorite drink. And the best part is you're making money hand over fist while doing absolutely nothing. Today, we have an exciting topic that everyone dreams of: passive income. Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. In this video, we're going to explore 7 passive income ideas that have the potential to make you rich. If the idea of growing your wealth without working around the clock sounds appealing, you're in the right place. So, if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey to financial independence, then please subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content like this, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And let's dive in. Real estate investments. Our first passive income idea is real estate investments. Investing in rental properties or real estate crowdfunding can provide a steady stream of income. You purchase a property, whether it's an apartment, a house, or a commercial space, and then you rent it out to tenants. These tenants cover your mortgage, property taxes, and maintenance costs, leaving you with a surplus that becomes your passive income. The beauty of this approach is that you're not just waiting for the property's value to appreciate, you're actively profiting from it on a regular basis. With the right location and property management. Dividend stocks. Next up, dividend stocks. By investing in shares of established companies, you become a shareholder, and these companies distribute a portion of their earnings to their shareholders in the form of dividends. It's like getting paid for owning a piece of a successful business. Over time, your stock portfolio can generate substantial passive income, allowing your wealth to grow even when you're not actively involved. Create a YouTube channel or blog. Here's a fun one: creating a YouTube channel or blog. At first, it may require a significant investment of time and effort as you build your content and audience, but the long-term potential is immense. As you consistently produce valuable content, you can monetize your platform through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The beauty of this option is that your content remains available 24/7. So, whether you're passionate about travel, cooking, finance, or any niche, creating a YouTube channel or blog can be a fulfilling and profitable way to generate passive income over time. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to become a lender and earn interest on loans you provide to individuals or small businesses. You provide funds to borrowers, who often seek loans for various purposes, such as consolidating debt or financing a small business. In return, you earn interest on the loans you funded. It's like being the banker, and your money works for you while you sit back and watch your investment grow. It's a hands-off way to make money from the interest payments borrowers make over time. Invest in a business or start one. Another option is to invest in an existing business or start your own. Investing in an established business allows you to become a silent partner, where you provide capital and, in return, receive a share of the profits. And if the business flourishes, your passive income can steadily grow. On the other hand, starting your own business may require significant upfront effort and dedication, but once it's up and running smoothly with the right systems and team in place, it can become a source of passive income. Royalties from intellectual property. Ever thought about writing a book, composing music, or creating art? Royalties from intellectual property can bring in passive income for years to come. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or royalty-free music libraries can help you get started. And the beauty of it is that these royalties can keep flowing in for years to come, requiring minimal additional effort on your part. The same concept applies to music composition, where you can submit your original tracks to royalty-free music libraries. Every time someone uses your music in a project, you receive a royalty. And for the artists out there, your artwork can also bring in passive income when you sell prints or license your designs for various products. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Now, for our final passive income idea, let's talk about the safe and steady route high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. While these may not have the allure of some other options, they can be a rock-solid foundation for your passive income portfolio. High-yield savings accounts offer you a higher interest rate compared to traditional savings accounts, and they're typically offered by online banks, making them easily accessible. There you have it, 7 passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom and make money while you sleep. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and patience, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Which idea resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.